got it.
Huh? What'd you get?
The book I ordered.
Wait, what? A book? What are you, like 30? Well, yeah, I thought you knew that. Okay, boomer, so you gonna tell me you're not?
Tell you what.
Oh my god, what are you, a freaking meatball?
Shut up, man.
Tell me what's so special about this book.
Yeah, I don't even know what's in this book, man. And from what I've heard, there's some pretty cool secrets in here that some people know and some people don't know. So, I want to check it out, but I don't really have time tonight. I'm going to have to check it out tomorrow.
Okay then, go away, nerd. Trying to game here.
Asshole.
You know me. Go to bed. Nah, I'll check it out tomorrow. I had the weirdest fucking dream. Oh, that's such a weird fucking dream. What the fuck? It's gone. My book. Whoa, what the fuck? Where the hell did it go? Whoa, what the fuck? Are you fucking kidding me? What? It was fucking aliens, man. What's up? I'm CodyYouKnowMe. In case you guys are wondering what this book is, it's actually a book I've made, and it's actually letting you guys know that, hey, you know your Twitch and YouTube titles? Have you ever felt like they were like boring, like dull or whatever? Well, the reason why we did a video about this book is because this certain logo here is the emoji for Emojipedia.org, which is a site that is basically like emoji heaven. So, for those of you out there who want to spice up your titles, you want to make your live stream titles a little more engaging or a little more flashy, because from what I've seen, and not a lot of people know how to do this, and some people do know how to do this. So I was like thinking like, hey, maybe I should make a video on it, so other people could check it out. Well, this site will help you out, yo. It's called Emojipedia.org, and the logo basically looks exactly like this book. And yeah, yo, spice up your freaking titles, yo. Pursue what's mine, and even though it's a long reach, I'll keep on going.